Guys, welcome back to my channel. So my previous video was the takedown of my braids, my protective style. So this is what it looked like the next morning. I basically slept on it. I just threw it up in a pineapple. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Jamaican Strict and Restore Jamaican Bald Castor deep condition mask. So how are you guys doing today? Hopefully the power don't go because the storm is passing later on, but you know how Wappa is. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair for you guys today. Just put my hair into sections. I'll do this section first. Another section here. And do you guys deep condition your hair after you shampoo or before you shampoo? I do both sometimes. It all depends on what I'm doing throughout the day. Today is gonna be a chill day, so I'm deep conditioning before I shampoo. I know I look crazy right now. That's why I had to make sure I put on my eyebrows and put on a lip gloss. But oh well, I still look good. Looking like Balls of the Clown. Alright. So I'm gonna start with the back sections first. I got this much. A little bit of water from the pipe. I don't have a spray bottle yet, but hey, gotta do what I gotta do. And then go into finger detangling. Getting out all of that shit here. Applying a little bit more to the ends and throughout. Finger detangle. And then twist. Deep condition. Getting out most of the shed hair. A little bit of water from the pipe. Got a little more water. And then finger detangling. And I finger detangle until my hair can run smoothly through. And getting all of that shit here. So I'm gonna do this one in front so you guys can get a closer look. Separating, trying to get most of the shed hair out before I add the deep condition. Just basically pulling at the ends. This is how much I got. Some deep condition. Some water from the pipe. And then detangle. I got all the shed hair from my fingers. This is how much I got. Put a little bit more on my edges, which is finally starting to grow back. Twist that. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll be back to show you how it looks. All right. Actually, I'm here. I ain't got nothing else to do. Might as well I show you the whole entire process. So moving on to the next section. Pulling. I'm getting off all of the shed hair. Got me some deep condition. I think I need a little bit more. This was a larger section. And water from the pipe. Make sure to get all the shed hair. And then twist. Got some deep condition. Every time I do a deep condition, I'd be like, wow, this would have been a good wash and go. But I have no gel, so I need to get me a re-up on my Eco Styler. Getting all the shed hair. Find a little bit more to my edges. Separating just to get most of the shed hair out before I go in with the deep condition. Grab some deep condition. That was that section. Do you guys remember that bald spot I had? I don't even remember where it was, but it was somewhere in the front here. So I think it growed in. I think it grew in. So that's a good thing. Get most of the shed hair out. Oh boy. And that was that section. That was a larger section, so more here. Halo just woke up from her nap. So I'm almost finished, so twist up that section. So my last section, it ain't been in the frame. Alright. I got my plastic bag so I can put my head after. Hello. I'm right here. And that was that much from that section. Okay. Grabbing a little bit more, just in case I happen to miss a spot. You never know. The hairline in the back, of course. Oh, I have some Jamaican black castor oil. Not Jamaica, just castor oil, just regular plain old castor oil. The Jamaican one is what I use on Halo's hair. I should start using that one on my hair, but just trying to finish this. I had this for a long time. I hardly ever use it. But let me use it today. And I haven't been done doing anything special with my edges. What will grow will grow. If it didn't, I'll just be walking around here bald head. Just massage that in. So I got my plastic bag. Just cover my hair. Like that. Okay. And then pull out my ears. And make sure you guys out there drinking your water. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit for a good old while. So make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I forgot to show you how much hair I lost. So this was all the hair for this deep condition session. The rain is coming down, so I finished before WAPA decides to cut their power. So on that note,